Hello again! In this video I will play some different intervals for you and it's up to you to guess which one it is. I will use all the intervals we covered in the previous video. Don't worry if it's too hard at first. The more you listen and practice, the better your musical ear becomes. But for easier practice, check out my other videos where I focus on just a few intervals at a time, like the difference between minor and major seconds or minor and major thirds. Before we start, I have some tips. For instance, if you hear this, try to listen to the lowest and the highest note. That's the difficult part because you have to listen to both notes separately, but you hear them at the same time. So I hear, but I also hear, aha, so that was correct. Ha, ha. But then, if you want to be sure what it is, you gotta fill in the blanks. So, ha, then you're just gonna do, re, mi. Do, re, mi. Hey, that was where I was supposed to be. Do, re, mi, do, mi. And then you know it's a major third, because a minor third would sound sad. Do, mi. And this one, do, mi, sounds happy. Okay, another example, this one. I hear, but also, all right, that is correct. Keep this one in mind, because that's the one where you gotta sing to. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Hey, that was the one we needed. So, do, sol, ah. It's a perfect 5. If you find it difficult to use the do, re, mi, you can also just count. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5. So, and then my last tip. If it's difficult and I'm giving you, for instance, the tritone, the devil's interval, that's this one. That's not in the do, re, mi. So, then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. That's half a tone. So then you know it's not in the do, re, mi, so it has to be one of the other ones that is in between. So it's the tritone, because it's not a 1-5, it's not a 1-4, it's in between. That little devil. Okay, now that you know these tips, let's begin. I wish you lots of fun and let's train those ears. Okay, the first one I will give you is this one. This was a major third. This was a perfect fourth. This was a major second. This was a perfect fifth. This was a unison, a prime. This was a tritone, the devil's interval. This was a minor second. This was a major sixth. This is a major third. This is a minor seventh. This is a major second. This is a perfect fourth. This is a major seventh. This is a minor sixth. This is an octave. This is a minor third. And this is a major third. This is a minor second. This is the tritone again, the devil's interval. All right, I have one more for you, and that is going to be this was a perfect fourth. All right, that was the exercise for today. I hope that it went well. And remember, if you still have difficulty with this, just keep on practicing and your ears will get better. And for now, I would say, keep on making that music. Woo woo. Goodbye.